So, how did I turn this into this? With this and this, you get that. Okay, step one, the very first thing you want to do is make sure you have our beauty solution miracle spray. La Hose Beauty is the best beauty solution on the market. Matter of fact, we might be the only beauty solution on the market. And you said, what is beauty solution? I'm so glad you asked. Beauty solution is your miracle spray that is a wig conditioning spray that works miracles. It keeps your wigs longer. You can keep your wigs longer. You know what that means? A better investment. That means you save money and you look fabulous longer. What does it do? I'm so glad you asked. It stops tangling, knotting, frizzing. Oh yeah, and that horrible matting gets rid of it all. You wanna make sure you pick up your spray, and you can buy it right on TikTok, lahostbeauty.com. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. You also can go into 2 of our locations, Las Vegas South Premium Outlet or the Walmart location in North Las Vegas on West Craig. All right, so let me get you started and figuring out how do we turn this horrible mess into the after result. We're gonna shake it, and you always wanna shake it. I always use the phrase, shake it to wake it, okay? And that's basically what you're doing. You're loosening up the fibers. You're getting these fibers all nice and ready to get combed through. So now, look, we're halfway through. It looks better already, but we got so much more to go. All right? Next thing what you wanna do, you don't wanna comb through, you wanna pop. You just wanna pop the wig. We pop through like this. Turn it around. We're gonna put more. You can never have too much. Want to use our Protect and Shine. And what the Protect and Shine is gonna do, it's your protecting spray. And what it does is the silicone base, it helps the fibers to glide. Tangling brush goes through it. It helps the fibers to fall naturally into place. Look at there, it looks better already. And all I started doing was what? We popped it. After we did that, then you begin to brush it. And as you see, it looks better already. Now we're just gonna comb through. Look at there. This is incredible. It's a miracle. No, it's Miracle Spray by La Hose Hair and Wigs. Again, you're gonna go through. Now for the final results. Now, you wanna open it up. You see, it's still frizzy here, right? So what you wanna do is use your Protect and Shine all around the circumference of the wig. Back and sides are the most on a wig that will tangle. Once you have that beauty solution in the Protect and Shine, comb through, and it restores it back to new. Do you see this? It's a miracle. No, it's Miracle Spray by La Hose Beauty. Now I'm just gonna shake it to pop those natural beach waves back in. But look here, now what you wanna do is you wanna go here in the roots. Again, we're gonna spray. Again, you cannot use too much of the spray. You're okay. Then you're gonna calm down. Make sure there's no tangles, no knots, no mats. And we did it. We have absolutely 100% detangling. All right, now what we're gonna do is scrunch it to pop those little waves back in. And we're gonna shake it. And that's going to naturally pop all that style. See? Pop it right back in there. Then we just scrunch it like this. All right, it's Miracle. No, it's Miracle Spray Beauty Solution by La Hose
You can
Beauty.
pick up your bottle right now on TikTok, lahostbeauty.com, or give us a call at 702-963-8255. 1994. Have a beautiful La Host Beauty Day.